Good morning, everyone. I am Suma Chacko, M.Ed first year student. I am here to present before you a topic on counseling skills. Before exploring more about counseling skills, I would like to give a brief introduction about counseling skills. Counseling skills, which are essential in helping people understand and cope with their problems. Counseling is not about giving advice or solution immediately. It is about listening, understanding feelings, and guiding individuals with care. Effective counseling depends on certain basic skills. Today I will explain 5 important counseling skills: active listening, attending behavior, building rapport, empathy, and observing. First and foremost, active listening. Active listening means listening with complete attention and interest. It involves understanding not only the words spoken by the client, but also the emotions behind those words. A counselor practices active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding the head, and using encouraging responses like yes, I see, or please continue. Perhaps paraphrasing or summarizing what the client has said helps in showing that the counselor is truly listening. Asking open ended questions also encourages the client to speak freely. Active listening is important because it makes the client feel heard, respected, and valued. When people feel listened to without interrupting or judgment, they are more comfortable expressing their thoughts and emotions. Secondly, attending behavior. Attending behavior refers to how the counselor shows physical and psychological presence during the counseling session. This includes sitting in an open and relaxed posture, leaning slightly forward, maintaining appropriate eye contact, and having a calm facial expression. The counselor's tone of voice should be gentle, respectful, and supportive. Even silence, when used appropriately, can show attention. Attending behavior is important because it communicates interest and concern. It helps create a safe and supportive environment where the client feels accepted and understood. Third one, building rapport. Rapport is relationship based on trust, warmth, and mutual respect between the counselor and the client. Rapport can be built by greeting the client politely, using their name, listening patiently, and being non-judgmental. Showing genuine concern, respecting the client's values, and maintaining confidentiality are also very important. Building rapport is essential because counseling cannot be effective without trust. When rapport is strong, clients feel comfortable sharing their personal thoughts and are more willing to cooperate in the counseling process. Fourth one is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand the another person's feelings by putting oneself in their place. It means seeing the situations from the client's point of view. A counselor shows empathy by acknowledging and reflecting the client's emotions. For example, saying you seems very worried about your future, or that situations must have been very painful for you. Empathy does not mean agreeing with everything that client says, but understanding how they feel. Empathy is important because it helps the client feel emotionally supported and accepted. It reduces emotional stress, builds a strong counselor client relationship, and promotes emotional healing. Fifth one, observing. Observing is the skill of carefully noticing the client's nonverbal behavior during the counseling. A counselor observes facial expressions, body posture, eye contact, tone of voice, and moments of silence. Sometimes a client may say they are fine, but their body language may show sadness or anxiety. Observing is important because it helps the counselor understand hidden feelings and gain deeper insight into the client's problems. It supports accurate understanding and effective counseling. As a conclusion, I would like to say counseling skills such as active listening, attending behavior, building rapport, empathy, and observing are the foundation of effective counseling. These skills help counselors understand clients better, build trust, and provide emotional support with regular practice and sincerity. These skills can greatly improve helping relationship in counseling, education, and healthcare settings. That's all. Thank you.